Good morning children, welcome once again to your online EVS class. I am Asha Santosh, your EVS teacher. Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Children, in our previous classes we have discussed many topics. Some topics are from EVS, some are from social studies, and also we discussed some activity lessons. Hope all of you have enjoyed each and every topics very well. At the same time, I hope you all are studying notes and reading the textbook very well. Am I correct? Okay, very good. So, which lesson you have to revise for today? Yes, lesson 10, plants and their parts. I know you all are thorough with this lesson. Children, after a long time, I am standing inside the classroom without students. I feel so bad. Still, I am so happy about you all are safe at home. Children, let's begin today's session. Today we will discuss or revise different types of questions from lesson number 10, plants and their parts. Are you ready? So, I have written some fill in the blanks questions here. I will read each questions for you. You have to tell the answer. Are you ready? Yes. First question. The part of the plant that grows under the soil is called dash. Which part grows under the soil? Yes, root. So children, the answer is root. Then, the part of the plant that grows above the ground, above the soil is called. Then which part is growing above the soil? Yes, shoot. Then third question. Fruits have dash inside them. Do you like fruits? When you eat fruits, what you can see inside it? Yes, seeds. So fruits have seeds inside them. Then fourth question.
Ginger, potato, turmeric are dash.
That store food.
Ginger, turmeric and
Potato are, yes, underground stem. Underground stem. Underground stem. Then fifth question, air enters the leaf through dash. Through which part air enters to the leaf? Yes, through stomata. Very good. You have to practice more fill in the blanks questions from this lesson. Okay. I already given many fill in the blanks questions in notes. Still, you have to find out many more questions from inside the textbook. Okay. Children, next you have some circle the odd one questions. Very simple. First question. Here, this first question you can see balsam, hibiscus, wheat and pea. Which is the odd one in this four? Can you identify? Yes, wheat is the odd one. What is the reason? Can you tell the reason? Yes, other three plants have tap roots. In wheat we can see fibrous root. Very good. Then second question. Here you have carrot, radish, beetroot and mango. Which is the odd one here? Yes, mango. Why? In mango plant, mango tree, the extra food of the plant will store in fruits. What about other tree? Here, the extra food of plant will store in their roots, isn't it? The edible part or eatable part of that plant is root in carrot, radish and beetroot except mango. This is the part of our body, and the other three are the parts of a plant. Next, fourth question. Here you have ginger, sugarcane, potato and turmeric. Which is the odd one here? Yes, sugarcane. In this, the extra food of the plant will store in stem of that plant, in sugarcane. In ginger, potato and turmeric, the extra food of the plant will store in their underground stem. Children, here you have some true or false questions. You have to identify whether the statement is true or false. Okay, the first question, the leaf gives support to the other parts of the plant. Once again, the leaf gives support to the other parts of the plant. Which part of the plant gives support to other parts of the plant? Is it leaf? No. So this statement is wrong. So you have to put false. F for false. Okay. Then the second question. While making food, the leaves give out the gas oxygen. Once again. While making food, the leaves give out the gas oxygen. Is it true or false? Yes, true. Plants give out oxygen by making food. So you have to write T. T for true. Then third question. Each seed has a baby plant inside it. Is it true or false? Yes, each seed has a baby plant inside it. So you have to write T. T for true. Then the last question, the weak stems can hold the plant upright. Once again, the weak stems can hold the plant upright. Can the weak stem hold the plant upright? No. So the statement is false. You have to write F. F for false. So children, practice more questions and also read the lesson regularly. We'll see you in our next class. Until then, take care and goodbye.